The next of our 5-minute overviews is regarding retail Wi-Fi, or probably more correctly, managed Wi-Fi. Called retail Wi-Fi, or sometimes branch Wi-Fi, the solution covers 3 scenarios. First, retail. This is where the customer wishes to offer free Wi-Fi to their customers within their stores or branches. Enterprise, which is your traditional secure managed Wi-Fi for the customer's own use in their offices. And finally, guest Wi-Fi, where the customer wishes to offer free Wi-Fi to visitors, contractors, but it's through a secure access using a password and a username. But let's first look at the results of a recent survey Cisco did, looking at how people use Wi-Fi away from the home. And the key thing that came up was a third of the time people would be using public access Wi-Fi in restaurants, coffee shops and retail outlets. In fact, they also said they would heavily use Wi-Fi on public transport if only there was a consistent service. They also found that more and more people do not wish to share personal information to gain access to that private Wi-Fi or that public Wi-Fi hotspot. So there is now a big demand on one-touch access. The solution we offer is one touch, but that does present the question of how is the customer then going to get access to their own customer base. Our solution is all about focused advertising and campaigns to draw the users to either bespoke apps or to particular offers. Once the customer is hooked, then our customer can then use that for tailored advertising. Our customer can also run different campaigns and services, either nationally, regionally, or down to specific stores, therefore giving them full marketing communications flexibility. One of our other customers also used the same approach for their guest Wi-Fi. In this case, they had a large percentage of contract workers, each of them typically self-employed. And our customer wanted to try and capture as much additional information about those individual contractors. And one of the ways he did this was give them the option either to dial in via LinkedIn information or to use specific personal business information. So what do? Well, we provide the customer with a hotspot management portal where the customer can control all aspects of the Wi-Fi and get usage reports, footfall, and if it's linked into personal information, can even turn it into live demographic movement. Together with our partners, we can provide the solution design, project management, the surveys, installation of the Wi-Fi, the fixed line backhaul, and even provide backhaul through mobile for temporary or mobile retail outlets. We then finally wrap it all in a 24/7 support model. We can even provide the customer with a bespoke mobile app that the users bounce to. If you have an opportunity for this, then please engage the Managed Mobility sales team as soon as possible.